is Susie Floration Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you our electronic pop tray. Look at here. It is made by wet press from sugarcane pulp, and it is added the black tone to the sugarcane pulp. And in this shape, it's all made by our mold. It doesn't need too extra cost to make. And look at the surface. It is have some mesh texture on the piece surface, and in the other side is very smooth. And in here it is have some self printing process. In addition, there is a group to place the product, and it is have a good holding effective on the product. And all product has achieved the 0%, 0 addition, and 0 immediate in the production process. The wastewater and the cutting color material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. Truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades within 100% within 3 months. If you want to get a unique pouch package, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. Thank you for watching.